Hello everyone, this is Students Guide here, and today we are going to discuss the concept that how to become a judge in the state of Himachal Pradesh especially. So in order to become judge, you need to have to crack 5 parts. Means you need to study 5 chapters which will include civil law 1, civil law 2, criminal law, English composition and language. So these 5 chapters further deals with various subjects, which includes in civil law we will have Code of Civil Procedure to be studied in detail, Indian Evidence Act, Indian Stamp Act, HP Courts Act 1976 and Specific Relief Act. On the other hand, on civil law 2 we will have Indian Contract Act, Hindu Law, Indian Limitation Act, Transfer of Property Act, HP Urban's Rent Control Act. Now in criminal law we will have to study IPC 1860, Code of Criminal Procedure, Chapter 17 of Negotiable Instruments Act, PB Excise Act as applicable to the state of Himachal Pradesh, Wildlife Protection Act, Indian Forest Act. And now in English composition we need to study a choice of 3 essays on general subject, translation of Hindi passage into English one, and in language we will have to study Hindi language especially, and in this we have to study translation of English passage into Hindi and essay in Hindi on any topic out of 3 which will a choice being provided in it, composition which will include idioms and corrections as well. So basically you have to study these 5 chapters to become judge in the state of HP, that is Himachal Pradesh. And now in these 5 chapters the basic and more important subjects to be studied are Code of Civil Procedure, Indian Evidence Act, Indian Contract Act, Transfer of Property Act, Indian Penal Code and Code of Criminal Procedure. Means these 6 subjects you have to study in detail. These are the main subjects which are to be studied, and further the other subjects which we have discussed are the minor subjects in this. So you will cover these 6 subjects I think within 2 to 3 months especially, and thereafter in for minor subjects you need 2 months more, so and 1 month for revision. So usually you will cover the strategy to become judge in the state of Himachal Pradesh within 6 months I guess. Furthermore it depends upon student upon his ability to work hard. You need to study 8 to 10 hours in a day to complete your strategy to become judge in the state of Himachal Pradesh within 6 months as well. Every year government of Himachal Pradesh along with the Himachal Pradesh High Court is just is doing great in the field in this field, and is generating posts for civil judge as well, junior division. So now you have to study these basic subjects which we have discussed to become judge. Thereafter you need to study hard, and which is you need to maintain focus, and you need to work every day over the concepts to be studied. You need to practice the previous year question papers of prelims as well as mains, and thereafter you will definitely achieve your success as well. And finally I will like to share one more thing with you, that you need to practice on judgment writing as well, because it will be quite helpful to you in your mains examination as well. So all the best guides.